To the Crypto Andrew channel. Let's look at this one tonight. Dogs Crypto looks bearish to me. I'm short on it, and frankly, I said this was a rising wedge a few days ago. I took the short last night. It was a little bit sketchy. I put my stop to break even. That's where my stop is right now. So of the 3 trades I'm in, this is the only one that has no risk. I'm in about $50 profit right now if I'm guesstimating at a look today. But I think it's $50 or $60 on a very, very small account of like under 200. So I'm not complaining. It's just fun money at this point. So let me look at the 3-day time frame and move our way down. 3-day time frame, part of the reason I took this trade, and this is the only trade I looked at on the 3-day. The other ones was the daily and lower. But 3 days overbought. The daily time frame is still overbought. The 2-day is not, which is it's pretty rare. You see the 3-day and the daily is overbought, but then the 2 days not. It's going up. That's rare. But the 2-day looks good, but I didn't care about that because usually when the 3-day and daily are bearish, the 2-day at some point will just overturn and go bearish. That's just what I've seen in the past, but I still look at all those time frames. The 8-hour time frame is oversold. That's a good sign for the bulls, not for me. The 4-hour time frame is starting to curve up. If I go down to the 1-hour time frame, that's a lower high. It doesn't mean my trade's going great. I should maybe take profits here. But the 2-hour time frame also looks like it's going to make a lower high. Probably what I expect here is a bearish retest of this bottom of this trend line, which is the bottom of the rising wedge, and a rejection. That's what I would like to see, obviously, as in a short position. That's what I would expect. And that's a fine sign. If the 1, 2, 4-hour time frames make lower highs and then overturn them, good. Again, my stop's at break even, so I can't lose money. I could forfeit that $50, which maybe I shouldn't do on a small account, but that's all I can do. We'll see what happens, but right now, the macro time frame for me looks bearish as well. The 15-minute still hasn't made a higher high. It never got completely oversold. So unless the 15-minute can crack 67, we are still bearish. Maybe I should move my stop to 67. But that's kind of what I'm looking at right now. Let me go back to the time frame I took the trade on. Your next support to the downside is at 60 level. If you break that, you're looking at new lows for the coin. The market cap is still about 400 million, 350 million, so it's still way overvalued in my humble opinion. I know people are probably still slowly selling their airdrops as well as they're probably selling airdrops when they see the price continue to go down and never go up long term. I mean, even on this rally right here, you went up to 76, but the previous high was 95 when it was overbought on the 5-hour time frame. So to me, still the macro trend is bearish, and it's been bearish for quite some time. The last time I would say that you were any kind of bullish and you had any kind of run was that run up to 30, and now you're at 6, so again, it's just not good. I'm in a short, and I believe the macro, unless the 200 smooth moving average is all the way up there at 20. That's how big of a downtrend it's been. And really, there's no life in sight on the higher time frame. So 1-hour time frame that's making lower highs as well. So we'll see what happens. If you guys have requests for other altcoins, let me know in the comment section below. So this is the only short I'm in. I'm in a long on Popcat and on MOG, but that's what we got going on. If you guys want to join the trading group where I give all my trade setups and my Bitcoin analysis every single day, link to join that is below. I post there a lot, so feel free to check that out. Try it for a month. If you don't like it, so be it. Yeah. I just saw my computer. It's supposed to be a record high tomorrow, 82 degrees. For this time of year, that's crazy. Not that you guys care about that, but that was something I just saw flash on my computer. Anyways, that's all I got for tonight. If you guys have other requests, let me know, and I'll see you all in the live stream. I believe tomorrow, no, it's Thursday. Saturday at 11 p.m. Central Time. Until then, trade safe. Have a great week, and I might post some more videos tomorrow night. We'll see.